ki khubor ka bate si TV. Wanrah shapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Sorkar Jilla ka Wanrah ada standard operating procedures na kabinta ban Pynstet haka Jingpynlong yaki Eksamin Thungkam ban pinbana yaki result ka Jingpynlong ki advertisement ba ka Jingpyn tipat ba iki kam ki balan. Hagi chikiran bakila pathai ka board haka shphotre kunaitung anajar phosau minzirang ba ka Jilla konra ke sangma ulet hu balabatha ibro kitna trekam janga Sorkar ban pintikna bagi kam ki balad ki pintip mabdor haka por ka babiang khana ba MPSC but ki DSC kindup la Pynstet ka jing trekam.
Basically, as you're aware that we have been working very hard for streamlining the entire personnel department and the process of recruitment and the process of promotion. So therefore, today in the cabinet we have come out with standard operating procedures for conducting exams, declaring results and advertisements and intimation of vacancies to be done, so that the recruitment process is done in a much faster manner. So all the different departments will be asked now to ensure that the vacancies that are there should be intimated within a specific period of time. The MPSC, the DSC or the department selection committees that are there, they will be given a specific time to fill up those vacancies. And obviously the procedures to conduct the examinations have been again narrowed down in some sense, where we have made it much easier and smoother. Declaration of results also will be done in a specific manner. So all of these things, the procedures, standard operating procedures for time-bound recruitment has been finalized by the cabinet today. Similarly, for the department promotion committees also, we have put a timeline and a time frame under which the promotions should be done. Most of the time we see that departments start the process of promotion once the person retires, and then the person who's supposed to come into their place miss out 3, 4, 5 months of their promotion because the process was started a bit late. So in order to ensure that timely promotions are given to people who are obviously eligible and who are supposed to get those promotions, we have figured out a process and a standard operating procedure where departments have been asked to do this entire exercise every 6 months, and different processes to be completed way before the person retires, so that when the person does retire, the promotion and the promotee is ready to take the space, so that there is no gap between the retirement of an individual and the promotee to take their space. So both in terms of recruitment as well as in terms of promotion, standard operating procedures have been passed today by the cabinet to be now implemented by the different HODs as well as the different recruitment agencies. Approval for the Meghalaya Public Communication Policy 2024, and I'm sure you all are aware about this also, because there some consultation was done with the media also, and as you're aware that this policy is pending for a long time, in the sense that the DIPR has not really been able to perform in an optimum manner and be able to do the different responsibilities and activities that a DIPR should be doing. And hence this particular policy will now streamline the entire strategy in which the government to people connect and the government to people communication, the different aspects of having the different infrastructures and different systems in place, small things like having different spokespersons in different departments, important departments, to give immediate information to the press, and all these other aspects are there. I don't think there'll be enough time for me to go through all the provisions of this particular policy, but as I said, it is mainly meant to kind of give a proper direction towards the communication between government and the citizens, and to also increase the overall trust and transparency in the system. And that's why this policy has been brought in, and this policy today was approved by the cabinet. We also have amended Rule 7 of the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Rules. Here again, the reason this has been done is because the rules earlier said that there should be, once the acknowledgement of the particular issue is raised, then the time for because as you know, the public service entire policy for right to public service means that in a time-bound manner, individual should get the service. The rules had said that from the day of acknowledging that particular application, from that day the particular date will start. But then the application sometimes, the acknowledgement of the application sometimes was taking a long time. And now, so therefore we have amended the rules and said that acknowledgement has to be done within 7 days of the application being given, so that there is no delay in the overall process. So that amendment was made today. The revision of the guidelines for the Meghalaya Day Awards. So we have made 2 changes in this. The first is that we have decided to increase the amount of award from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. As you know that this was done last in 2013. So therefore we feel the amount of 1 lakh may not be significant or sufficient. So we have decided to double it. So now from 1 lakh it will be increased to 2 lakhs. And number 2, we have decided to also make the applications now online, which means it doesn't have to be sent through a particular department. Now individuals can recommend other individuals also through an online system, like is done for the Padma Shri and other national awards. We are also now opening it up, broadening the entire process so that more people can recommend names directly through the online system.